Hi, my friend. Let us make a banana puff puff. This is another sweet finger food, like is a street food, but this one is with a little twist. I added banana. Okay, let's start, and I'll show you how I made this beautiful snack. So inside my bowl, I put in 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Like I did 4 cups because I have a lot of people in the house that would like to participate in the snack. So feel free to make 1 cup, 2 cups, even 10 cups to the size of the people in your house, okay? So I now added a tablespoonful of quick rising yeast. I added half tablespoonful of nutmeg. This is optional. Then half tablespoon of salt. And I added 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And that's because we're going to add banana, which is also sweet. Then I turn, mix well. Make sure all the dry ingredients are properly mixed. This process is very, very important. Then this is a frozen ripe banana. I allowed it to defrost, then I'm using my fork to mash it. Guys, when you have your overripe banana, don't throw it away. I put them in a bowl and freeze them. I use them for my smoothie and for sweet finger food snacks like this. So I mash. Then what I did, I now brought my masher to mash it very well. You know, the outcome of your food depends on the effort that you put in the prep. So I put a lot of effort during the preparation because I want a very good output. So that's medium mashing. So when you're happy with that, like I was happy with the extent that I've mashed it, I now brought the dry ingredients and I mixed the banana with inside the dry ingredients. So I now I put 1 cup of water just for a start. So this is me eyeballing. So we're looking for a thick consistency, okay? So because I have done this before, this is my measurement, so I already know the quantity of water that goes, so I just went ahead and put it. But if you're not sure, add water little by little and then check the consistency. So this is me turning. I want to make sure the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients are properly mixed. So don't be afraid to mix. So mix. Like I said before, your prepping is very, very important if you want a very good output. So I mix thoroughly. I make sure there are no dry ingredients left unmixed. So when you are happy with the mixture, so what I did here was I now covered it, and I also covered it with a clean tablecloth, kitchen cloth if you like, and allowed it to sit for 2 hours. After 2 hours, oh my God, look at that beautiful dough. It just rose with all that air bubbles in it. So feel free to bust those air bubbles. That's what I did. I dipped my clean washed hands inside, yeah. When you're handling food, of course, it's a no-brainer. You mix it very well. So let's go to the kitchen and fry now. Yes, so this is going to be a deep fry food. So that oil is very hot, but on medium heat, okay, so that you don't get it burnt. So I now, put it in little balls inside the oil. Safety is seriously advised here. When you're putting it, make sure your hand don't come in contact with that hot oil. Safety first, okay? So that's me cutting it in little balls. Feel free to put any size of ball that you like, but I always like this, bite-sized balls. But you know what? They will still grow bigger, but it's also a bite size. It's a size that is comfortable to handle. So, and allowed it to heat, and that is it. Look at my beautiful banana puff balls. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, so I try to turn it to make sure they are evenly brown. I like my buns. I like my small chops. I like them evenly brown. I like that golden brown. It kind of is very aesthetic when you look at it. And you know what? I'm always cooking. I always apply this smart idea when I'm cooking because I have a lot of mouth that I feed. So this is the second batch. So I was frying from two pans. So one pan here, one pan there. So I didn't waste so much time. So smart idea, right? Yeah. Look at those beautiful brown puff puff. This is street food while growing up. But this one, I added banana. Good idea, right? Yes. Let me see you reproduce this snack and then tag me, tell me what you think. And when I was done bringing out the puff puff, I also went to the one that was also cooking in the pot. Yes, I was doing two things at the same time. Like I said, smart, work smart and not harder. So I was working smart here because I have about 4 burners, right? So yes, I was using 2 burners to cook. And in no time I was done. In no time I was done. As I was cooking, my kids and my family, they were all picking one to eat. And that's okay. That's the fun of it. That was just the whole idea. Okay. Yeah, so after bringing it out, and yeah, I dished out, and this is what it looks like. Very soft, succulent. This one was hot when I was cutting it. You see me trying to protect my fingers from getting burnt, but you know what, be very careful. Yeah, it is hot. And yeah, I tasted it and it was so yummy, and I like the banana flavor that it was giving me. Yes, so whenever you have those overripe bananas, don't throw them away. Now you know what to do with it. Okay, so until I see you in another video, bye bye.